just got home and my central air isn't on when it should be. I turned the switch off at the until, waited a few minutes and clicked it back on. I hear it start for 1 to 2 seconds and shut down.
Who makes your AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Lennox Innovator series.
How long has this been going on with your Lennox air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
Just happened.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
That's all.
Hello. So far it looks like the compressor is attempting to start but is unable to start. That points to a failed run capacitor. $40 wholesale, 15 minutes to replace by a technician. 95% chance that is accurate, 5% chance some other issue. _
I tried taking the thermostat off and jumping it from the red to yellow and get nothing, but if I do it at the unit jumping the red to yellow it turns on. Compressor outside is running fine while jumping it at the unit. Any thoughts?
Either the high pressure or low pressure safety cutoff switch is open. Locate them on the wiring diagram, then follow the wires to them. The high pressure cutoff switch likely has a red reset button on it, between the two wires attached. Or you can follow the red or yellow wires you jumpered. One of them will land on one of those pressure switches, the other pressure switch is in series with that one. Press that reset. If the unit starts, and it's below 90 F outside, let it keep running and go to Home Depot and buy an air conditioner condenser coil cleaning kit or two. $12 or so. Follow the directions. Most big hardware stores carry the kits, but Home Depot's is best. If it is the low pressure cutout switch that is open, then it is very likely that the system has a refrigerant leak that needs repair and then refrigerant replaced. Do not run the unit if it turns out that the low pressure switch has tripped. It will suck in moist air in some cases, and that makes the repair expensive.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.